All right, now what I want to show you is how you know when you're stuffing the your snack stick casing right. You want to have them full, but not too full. And when you get it running, you can see how the meat's just barely starting to go over the metal tip there. That's how you want to keep it. You don't want to get the meat way backed up. Just want to run it just about like that right there. It's filling up the casing good, and then it's not getting backed up around the tube. This new Haka sausage stuffer is amazing. And right now I'm doing this at the slowest setting, so I'm not sure why you'd need to go faster, but so you just want to keep it right there, like at the end of the tip there.